Hello everyone, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and today we're going to show you how to run OAXRAY on ThinkGeek so you can flip items to make some money on Amazon.com. So ThinkGeek is one of my favorite stores. They sell a lot of toys and things that you can not get in other places. But ThinkGeek does not like people who buy a ton of items from them, so you kind of have to keep some of your orders smaller. If you order 20 of an item, especially if you do it multiple times, sometimes they will not send those items to you. So what I try to do is find large margin items so I don't have to buy a lot of them on ThinkGeek. But I'll start off by going to Toys and Games, and then I'll click on Action Figures. ThinkGeek has a lot of unique items in general, and I like the site. It's just pretty good overall. To get started here, I'm going to left click on the OAXRAY extension. That's going to take a couple minutes to run. Looks like there's about 100 items on the page. I'll go to a different page that has RC Toys on it. Left click again. And let's see what's on sale. And I'll left click on OAXRAY. I do kind of like some of their images here. They move around, so it's not a static picture. It's actually pretty cool. Wish Amazon did this kind of thing on their listings. So here we go. We have 58 out of 58 complete. OAXRAY will tell you whenever the pages are complete that you're running. One of the things I do is I generally will filter things. So right here we have the sales rank. If you put a sales rank of 1 here, anything without a sales rank will automatically be removed. And then I can put a sales rank cap. Let's say I do 100,000. I'll just do 1,000,000 there. And ROI above 25%. That is what I'm able to do. What I can do is I can look at the images, see if the items match up. Some of the times there will be items that are very similar, but they don't match exactly. For instance, this right here, we have 2 figurines in one and only 1 figurine in the other, but let's see how this works out. Click on both. So looks like you get, okay, so you choose which one you want. This is actually Diablo, pretty cool game there. And it looks like we have the Series 2, might be different, or it might be the same. Let's see. This one's kind of hard to tell, but I believe these are the same item. I'm trying to look at as closely at them as I can. Let's see, Tyrael, 7 inches tall. Sometimes you have to look at the detail page to make sure these are exactly the same. And since it's 7 inches tall and I can see kind of the shape and things right there, I would say that these are the same action figures, Series 2 and ECA. World of Ruin, 7 inches. Okay, there we go. Series 2. So I'm pretty confident these are the exact same items. Looks like it's on sale to 40% off. So $16.99 is going to be the selling price. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up Ebates and Rays and see if there's any discounts. See how much we're really going to pay. Looks like ThinkGeek has a 3.5% off there, so that's pretty good. And it looks like there's some freebies, so if you... I don't see anything that will probably apply. For here, I'll go to raise.com, see if we can get any discounted gift cards. So here we are on Raise, and we see we have 6.4% off today, but you also get an extra 5% off. So it's about 11% off, 11.5%. And then if we look at Ebates, we get 3.5% off. So we total those up and we have about 15% off of the cost. So instead of costing us $16.99, it's going to cost us approximately $15 even. So we're going to try to sell this. Looks like here's our buy box price. This thing has a lot of reviews, 37 reviews in total. So it looks like it's selling pretty well. Most of the reviews have come in the last year. Actually, last few months we have, yeah, looks like this listing has not been here too long. So the fact that it has 37 reviews in the last year, year and a half are actually pretty good. We have no prime competition at all. Man, this is actually a pretty good item. And our selling price would be almost $43 if we sold this. $43.03, I believe it is. I'm going to click on the FBA fee calculator. Check that out. $43.03 if we matched the lowest price. The ship to Amazon, this is a 1211 by 2. Pretty small item. I'll just put in 25 cents. Yeah, it might need a poly bag. There's a chance that I'm not sure how this is going to come. So I'm going to do 50 cents for inbound shipping. Cost for product is going to be approximately 15. So let's see what our margin is. So it looks like if we sell this for $43.03, after paying for the product, we're going to make about $18 on this figurine. I did forget to look at the sales rank. Let me go back real quick. So we're here. With all the positive reviews and the sales rank of 68,000, this seems like a pretty frequent seller and looks like a good item. So some of the times, this is one of those times where we can find an item that's more than 100% ROI. And ThinkGeek definitely has these items because they have a lot of unique items. They won't be sold often in a Walmart. They won't be sold in a Target. So it's just a smaller number of sellers who are able to get them and get them onto Amazon. So that's one of the reasons I like ThinkGeek so much. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day and make some money using OAXRAY. Please like and subscribe. And if you have a question about Amazon, put a comment down below and I'll make a video about it as soon as I can.